Welcome to the Thordata channel. In this video, we'll introduce you to our web scraper API. First, you can access our official website directly through the link in the video description or the comments section. Click on the Product tab and select Web Scraper API. You'll see real-time structured data from 120+ global sites, reducing development and maintenance costs. Trusted by 4,000+ enterprises, our web scraper API library removes the need to develop and maintain the infrastructure. Simply extract high-volume web data and ensure scalability and reliability using the web scraper API. Next, click on Pricing. We use a credit-based pricing system. Different domains require different amounts of credits for data scraping. We also offer a free trial and custom services tailored for you. Now, let's start a free trial. You'll now see the web scraper store page. You can choose the scraping options you need or use the search function. Let's select one to begin the scraping process. Click on the Free Trial tab, then click Start with Trial on the right. Return to the API Builder interface, click Start Scraping, and you'll be redirected to the Tasks page. Click the download icon on the left and choose your preferred format. Next, click on the Integrations tab. Here, you can add integrations and connect this web scraper API with workflows on other platforms. The integrations you set up will only trigger all run tasks of this scraper, including any saved tasks. Supported platforms include Amazon S3, HTTP webhook, Google Gmail, Snowflake, and more. What's even better? Our web scraper API supports scheduled runs. Click on the Scheduler tab on the left, then hit Create New. From there, you can choose how often you want the scraper to run and set your preferred start time. Click the link below to visit the Thordata website and start your efficient data journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.